What's up, guys? Welcome back. Alright, so this was my piece today. I'm getting ready to show you how I did it. Unfortunately, when I started the video, my camera was pointed at the ceiling, so the layering my paints and flipping the cup was lost. But I remixed all the colors and we're ready to do it all over again on a larger piece. And at least you'll be able to see everything up to the point. I'm using, this is a new medium that it's kind of like a cross between Anne Marie's recipe. I don't know what she's currently using, but it was the gloss medium, PVA glue, Liquitex pouring medium, and water, I believe. So then I had to put my own little twist on it, and I kind of used the ratios that Karen from Waterfall Acrylics was using, which was 16 ounces of PVA glue. I did get an archival glue from Line Co, so it is pH neutral, but if you don't have it, I'm sure Elmer's Glue All would be sufficient. Alright, so here you go. One part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. It may not look like that in the cup, but there is a mound of paint, so... And I just mix it up really quick. I'm not really worried about bubbles. The bubbles pop very easily. The gloss medium that I was using is by Winsor & Newton. And what I did was I took 16 ounces of the PVA, then 2 ounces of the gloss medium, 2 ounces of Liquitex, and mixed that together. And then I added 4 ounces of water and I shook it up really well. And then I was doing a 1 part paint to 1.5 parts medium. And I want to say probably add 1 part of water flow aid mix after that. So the reason for my flow aid that I've been using all this time is to be able to thin your paints down using water without touching the binders in the acrylic or the pigments. Every paint will get darker as it dries to its truest form, but at least this will hold it from, you know, over darkening or losing that vibrancy in the paint. And this is a heavy opaque paint, the bright aqua green. There you have it. Alright, let's get started. So I taped my canvas. It's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I taped the back of it. I've been using cookie cutters from the dollar store. Just like this, they have the rubber on the back. I use the rubber, it keeps it from sliding around a lot. And the paint peels, I haven't done it in the past couple pours, but the paint peels off of it really easily. And if you wipe it off when it's wet, it comes right off a lot easier too. I just don't like using the paper towels. So bright aqua green was by Artist Loft. I ran out of the Liquitex Basic. Deep violet by Liquitex Basic. Portrait pink, there's more, I have another cup, by Liquitex Basic. Neon orange, which I also ran out of, so I took neon pink, neon yellow, and mixed it together till I got as close to orange as I thought I could get. And then I put 2 drops of Naphthol Crimson Golden High Flow Acrylic in there, and that brought it up to the bright orange color. Light Blue Permanent by Liquitex Basic. Dioxazine Purple, that's this one right here. And white and black flow acrylics from Artist Loft. My paints, I also let them sit for a good 20-25. The longer you let them sit, the better. So I added silicone into the purple, the violet, portrait pink, the light blue. Yeah, and that's it. I made my own color shift. I can't believe I did it. So I was out of this. So I took these two colors and I got that. And this, you know, that was Plum Flash. It's kind of a color shift you don't see too much. But yeah, very close. If not, maybe that's truly how they did it. 16 by 20 inch canvas requires 16 ounces of paint. It's a studio wrapped, it's not gallery wrapped. I've got 3 5-ounce ramekins, and I'll probably just do another, you know, ounce of paint in a pattern. I tend to do that a lot. Alright, so this is how I did my pour earlier today. Exactly. I just went down the line and layered it one by one. The first layer, I mean. Okay. And then I just come in and I, you know, kind of go across like this on each one. All right, this is what I did. I poured high. And then just a little one there, a little one there. All right. So I put my stick in and swirl into the center like that. There you go. All right, here we go. Let's go up and then back, down, up. All right. Wow. That's awesome. I see a chunk. Remember I told you that was a chunk? I knew it was. Oh, gosh. Look at that. All right, here we go. Ta-da! Wow, 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 you guys. Oh, that is fantastic. I'm sorry. Normally I hold my composure, but I can't help myself. All right, let's come down. Close up. Oh man, oh man, oh man. If you put Anne-Marie Rittenhoff and Karen from Waterfall Acrylics and me in a blender, this is what you get. I am so excited, you guys. I hope you like this because I just love it. Let's see how close I can get without it distorting. I probably could have made my orange thicker. See how? But it is what it is. Thank you, ladies, for your inspiration. If you see this video, I really appreciate it. All right, so my camera wasn't recording, but here we go. I just flipped my cups. I don't know how it wasn't recording, but look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Yep, and I did scrape this painting last night, so I do not want to lose this. All right, so lesson learned. This is what happens when you make your paints too watery. But it's a new medium, so I'm trying it out. And this is dimethicone 1000, by the way. Oh man, that is different. All right, guys, well, there you have it. That is unbelievable. I mean, the cells are misshapen, and that's my fault. I should have added more paint. But, yeah, I guess that's kind of cool. Let me bring it close up. This is so different looking. Dimethicone 1000 and glue. This is what you get. Oh, and watery paint. All right, guys. See you next time.